Yo, how's it going, YouTube? We're here, it is Dr. Supremacy, and today we're at my dad's restaurant cooking steaks for the judge, who will be my dad attending this video today. Just to let you know, we are here at the Roosters Kitchen. Very nice restaurant, I recommend it loads. Food is amazing here, make sure you try it. Let's get into it. Let's go. Come on, boys. Come on, let's get them subscribers up. I want to own this so bad. Come on. Washing our hands, if all the customers say, otherwise we may kill them because of a parasites on our funds. We are back in the kitchen and we have got these juicy steaks. They're so nice. They're Scottish style steaks, and we're going to get seasoning. I'm going to put a bit of oil on it. Oh, it's so nice. And now, you do this side. We have to do these cherry tomatoes and these wonderful mushrooms. They're amazing. Alright, so now let's move these sides. Alright, so now that that's done, we're going to move on to skewing the vegetables. Or should I say fruit, because we're including tomato. These juicy red tomatoes, look at them, they're amazing. And also these amazing, soft, lovely mushrooms. 5 on each skewer. Yes. If you enjoy this content, then be sure to tell us to do more. And make sure to subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. We can make that happen. No, we can. Now we're done with that, we're going to get one. Yo, look at this. We got the grill, we got all our steak, we got that spices. Lovely butter. Got a lovely block of butter. Yeah, and we got some. Right, let's get started. Let's go. Oi, look at that. I'm just trying to cook my eggs. Mine's looking fresh. Chips. We're going to put these chips in the fryer. Got some calamari. Our steak and the chips and the calamari are currently in the process of cooking, and after that we're going to dish up and serve some amazing food. I hope. Butter! Hey! Alright, so the steak is now ready, just doing a bit more listening.
And we're going to get ready to
dish it up now. Right? Maybe add some herbs and some spices. Right, so steak down. Alright, so we've done the decoration, spring onions, chips. Now, finishing touches, just salt. And
perfect, and there you go, this juicy steak ready to be served on a lovely night out. Bang, perfect.
right, should we cut it?
Let's beautiful steak, show you what's inside. Cuts so nicely. Perfect juicy steak. Ready. That's so nice.
Cheers.
Cheers for a good steak.
We outdid ourselves.
That steak was so nice, but I can't feel my belly.
We're gonna rest our bellies. And yeah, we'll see you next week.
See you later.